Hello, how are you all doing? This is Abirambika Ravivarman, your Lifefulness coach, and I'm back here to unbox our September month Lifefulness box. We launched this Lifefulness box exclusively for women in the month of March for Women's Day, and we had amazing women come and experience our boxes when we launched it. And since then, we've been excited. We've been doing multiple boxes in spite of the pandemic, where we missed just one box, but we tried to keep up our boxes all the time. This is the time you need to really take care of your wellness, and we were very particular about it, and we kind of put all our efforts to get that done. And coming to this box, and the reason why we created this, when I work with women, I noticed that we put us behind everybody else in our family, behind our kids, our husband, our parents, or our siblings. We try to always do a lot of things for other people, including our work and so many things that women take care of for others. But who would take care of you? And that is why this box is here. It brings in a lot of goodies for you every month, and there's a lot of surprises, a lot of interesting small elements that we put together, and we know how these small things can bring a lot of smile in your face. So let's quickly go and see what's there in our September box. So live lifefully, like I keep repeating. Many things happen in our life. Things that generally people categorize as positive things, as negative things, but I would tend to look at everything that's happening in our life in a positive angle, purely because even an incident which we don't like so much can give you a positive learning from there. So that's how living life will be very, very intense and very, very powerful. So being a coach, this box obviously have to, it has to have something to do with coaching. So for people who've been watching our boxes every month, we have a coaching topic, and this month we've put something exciting and interesting again. It's about you as a parent, because now it's been few months since our children have been studying from home, and looks like it's going to continue for a few more months. But how as parents do we support our children, and how we support them emotionally and mentally to make sure that they are not, that they're not going through something, because the children struggle to come and say a lot of things to the parents. And understanding these small cues, understanding a few aspects of that can really help you to get some insights, and that's what this month's worksheet is all about. Okay, now, so the first thing we have is very beautiful cushion cover, and why we thought of this is because obviously few women are getting back to work, few of you are going to be continuing to work from home, so we thought giving you a nice new look. A lot of women use a small cushion to take care of their back at home as well as at work, so something to go back to work with, a new fresh look, so we thought we will add that. Okay, and we have some snacks for you to carry around. We have some salted sunflower seeds. These are really nice because I always keep one or two of such things in my bag whenever I have to go for sessions. This one is very easy to quickly eat something that is also healthy. Okay, and we wanted to add a little tinge of chocolate as well this time, and so we thought of putting these small blueberry chocolates. So for indulging, yes, instead of having a big bar, we could just have one or two of these, and that's where we put this. I love these chocolates as well. Okay, another thing, exciting and interesting thing is this. This is a overnight oats that I thought of giving. So this has cranberries in it, it has nuts, it has oats, it has a lot of chia seeds. You will be seeing these. So how I generally use this is every time the previous day and night, I mix in this along with some yogurt or almond milk or anything that you are consuming. Along with it, I put in some fruit. So I use a lot of seasonal fruits in it, like sapota, mango during the summer season. Bananas go very well with this overnight oats. And then even strawberries, now the season is going to start again, so you might start looking at strawberries coming in. And how this is so handy is next day morning, if you have to really rush through for work, putting this in the fridge the previous day and just carrying this with you is super helpful and super healthy. And you could try many different varieties with this one. I've used it with peanut butter, then you can mix it with some good cocoa powder, and then with milk. You can just go crazy with the kind of things you can add to this. You can even add vegetables, in a sense, grate some carrot if you like it's little savory. Put any of these, just mix this up and put it back in the jar, refrigerate it the whole night, and then the next day morning you have a really healthy breakfast for you. Okay, so that's that. And the next thing we've put is a cute little mug and another herbal thing here. And this is also something very exciting because every month going forward we are going to be adding a lot of herbal things for women, purely because our health is priority, right? We need to take care of ourselves, and in these busy days there is no way we're going to be going to source things from outside, and that's the job we want to do for you. And this particular thing that we have here is called the Avaram Flower. It's a yellow flower. You would have seen it across in down south. Now this is so healthy. It is also we've given a lot of details about this in our page, the September month box page. All you have to do is make tea out of this, add a spoon of this into your regular black tea, and then add a pinch of lemon and have it, or you could even mix it with milk. You can have it like that. The benefits basically of having this tea is a lot. For women during menstrual time, this really controls that. It gives a beautiful skin, which we all want, right? So this helps in that. It's an antioxidant, so it helps you to really take care of your inside. It has so many other benefits, and all of these have been given, so please have a look at that and keep trying this. I try and drink this tea with ginger. I just heat this without anything else, just this, a little pinch of ginger, and then once it's done, I add a dash of lemon to it, and then it's a really great tea to have. So we've been having green tea, we've been having so many other things. This is a herbal tea, and we wanted you not to go look around for a mug, so we thought we'll add a small mug also along with it. So this is the one. Okay. The next thing is again another herbal one. So this is a loofah, but a loofah from a herbal one. So this is the vetiver. It's called. It's a root, and this particular one is so healthy that it softens your skin. It reduces odor. In fact, this also, the more you start consuming Avaram, you will start noticing that the sweat and all the odor from ourselves starts to go away. And just what I tend to do is drop this in the tub of water that I'm going to use for bath, and then obviously little bits of this is soaked into the water, so the water is also quite refreshing. It has a great smell, really great smell, and using this to over your body again helps your skin to become more better, and it glows your skin. It also cools down your body, so people generally we will also be sharing more in the coming boxes of something that you can drink with this, because this really cools down your body. So this is something that we have for you. Okay, the next thing is this mask. We gave away these masks in our previous box, but we had a lot of people asking for this, because this particular mask really, it's cotton, it's double layered cotton, but it really covers your full, and the shape goes like this. So your eyes, there is nothing to distract your eyes, but it covers until here. So from here to here, it gives a full coverage, and it's really soft. You can wash it and use it. So because there were some women who inquired about where we procured, we thought why not add these in few more of our boxes, because one is it's colorful, it's bright, you can match it with your clothes. So this is the mask. Okay, we also have a small hair serum. We thought we'll start giving you small things that you can take in your bag, because you're going to start going back to work, maybe start to go out more often, in the coming months. So we thought every month we'll add a tiny one which will go into your pouch, because all of us women in our bag have a pouch with all the different type of cosmetics or things that can help us. So we are going to keep adding to that pouch as well. So that's the small one. Okay, so we have one more thing. I know this is a very handy one which I tend to use at home. This is a fridge rack, because in fridge obviously we have these tiny packets, we have these ketchup packets which come, or these tiny things which we don't know where to fit in, right? The fridge, it just lies around here and there in the side. So instead you could put in this one and then just slip it inside, and then it stays, and you are able to organize your fridge better. So we thought of adding one of this as well in this month's box, helping you to organize. You remember, this box itself is an organizer. I've been mentioning about this. Is a very good quality shoe box. So use this also to organize stuff at home. Okay, now coming to the last thing that we have this month is a DIY. Something that we've been buying from outside, but rather we are going to do it ourselves this time. So this is a spray bottle, and I've put in some glycerin into this bottle. And what we are going to be doing is, you'll watch the video on how to do this. We have rose water here, and we have given you a nice copper shade shimmer in this packet. Okay, so all you're going to do is do this whole shimmer spray for your own self, and watch the video on how to do this, because when we are stepping out, a light pinch of spray is always very refreshing, especially when we have a rose water spray, because it's going to give you an amazing smell, plus some glitter, right? Obviously all of us love glitter. I love to have some shine on myself. So a little pinch of that, once you spray, you notice these light shimmer on it, but then this is a glow spray for yourself, and that's the DIY for this month. And hope you like this box, hope you liked all the contents of it, and keep coming back to us. Ask us any question you have about the box, ask us about anything that you want help and support with, and we are there to help you. So see you next time with another interesting box in the month of October. Bye.